What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am here in Dollar Tree and I'm finding all sorts of new items. Look at this. It's a little faux candle. It's a LED pillar candle. It's super, super cute. This is what it looks like. The stripes and polka dots. We still have lots of Airwick. Little refills. Okay, let's head to the makeup aisle because I think this location closes at, I don't know if it's 9 or 10. Do you guys close at 9 or 10?
Close at 9.
9? Thank you. Okay, you guys, they close at 9, so I'm gonna have to hurry up.
If you're in Dollar Tree shoppers, the time now is 8:43. We'll be closing in 17 minutes at 9. Again, 17 minutes at 9. Thank you and come again.
All right, you guys, so this is gonna be my last video because they are gonna be closing here pretty soon. We have the fuzzy socks. My other location had some really cute new juncture socks. If you guys were on my live with me, maybe you saw them. Oh, this is new, this bandana. Okay, so behind me we have a brand new acne prone skin facial wash from Dermasil, brand new. That's 4 ounces. Also, some of these diabetic lotions are brand new. No matter what your health situation is, even if you don't have diabetes, I have heard dermatologists say that they love these hydrating lotions, that they're really, really good for our skin and extra hydrating. Okay. Skimming for new stuff. We have a lot of name brand body washes. But what am I most excited to see? I'm most excited to take you guys over to the makeup aisle and see what sort of name brands we have. Because my other location had several brand new items from e.l.f. and Maybelline. So let's just head on over there and see what we have. Ooh, but we have a brand new end cap. More Snuggadoo socks and gloves. Okay, here we are on the makeup aisle. Oh, the electric files are back, you guys. The electronic nail files, they're back. This location is the only location I've seen the Orly face mask sets. Any luck? Okay, we have the brightening eyeliners from e.l.f. I don't think this location has the new e.l.f. makeup yet. Not yet. So I'm glad I went to the other location and I was at least able to see it. You guys know how it is. Every store is so different. Ooh, these are new. Hydrogel lip masks. Brand new for the week. I've never seen this color before. Red wine facial sheet mask. That's also brand new. This is by the brand Miss Spa. Cute. My other location had some belly masks. I thought that was kind of cute. Cute little belly masks. Oh, and these are still here. The clarifying facial wipes by Shea Moisture. Yep. They're still here. Oh, I wanted to get some more ibuprofen. Ibuprofen, tension headache, 6 soft gels, 10. We have 30 in here. I want to get a couple of these. Yes. 30 in a container, not bad. While I'm remembering, I'll get it. The charcoal powders here. I saw some big containers of the luxury shave gel at my other location. I'm gonna try those out. They're supposed to be dupes. Whoa, lots of Band-Aids. The Care Pack brand, 40 in a box. Wow. Oh, are these the... Oh, these are the fabric ones, you guys. These are so good. These ones really stay on long. Look for the flexible fabric. Make sure you're not grabbing the one that says plastic. And we have the foot treatments. I feel like I'm always buying Band-Aids. But depending upon what your issue is, we'll just call it an issue. Depending upon what your issue is, like sometimes you want a clear one or a transparent one. Sometimes you want a cloth one. Sometimes, you know, like, I don't know. I have a stash of Band-Aids. A Band-Aid stash. Yeah, you guys, they're closing soon. Closing soon. Okay, let's see what else we got. All the theater candy. I always like to look for new candy. If you guys use the Ibotta app, I believe we have a deal making this free. I think you guys. The Mamba candies. I'm gonna have to check really quick. Oh, look, you guys, we have more Christmas stuff right here. All of our Christmas picks. I better get another one of these. Just say no to chirping smoke detectors. Say no. Okay, what? I'm seeing the Funfetti cereals once again, you guys. Look, the Funfetti family size cereals are back again, you guys. 17 ounces in a box. Wow. That's a whole lot of cereal. A whole lot. Yeah, you guys, I better go get in line. I better go get in line because they're closing soon. But it was fun bringing you guys along. Oh my gosh, these are new. The Greek bowls with chickpeas, olive oil, and brown rice. These go for like $3 each everywhere else. These are plant-based. Nice deal. Well, all right, you guys, that's it for me. I'm gonna go get in line and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for coming along, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.